Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about plant life and ecology. Plant's habitat. A habitat is the place where a plant lives. It must have adequate food, water and space. Each type of habitat has specific characteristics that pair well with different kinds of plants. Not all plants can live in woodlands, nor can all plants live in the desert. There are three types of habitat. 1. Terrestrial, 2. Aquatic, 3. Desert. Plant adaptation. Plants have adaptations to help them survive, to live and grow in different areas. Adaptations are special features that allow a plant or animal to live in a particular place or habitat. These adaptations might make it very difficult for the plant to survive in a different place. The characteristics of the environment that influence grow a plant success to healthy. They are amount of space available, amount of water, amount of light available, and amount and types of nutrients available. Now we are going to learn about the terrestrial plants. A terrestrial plant is a plant that grows on or in or from land. Some terrestrial plants are small, others are big. There are plants with big trunks while others have soft stem. Some plants bear flowers while others do not. Terrestrial plants grow in different places. There are plants that grow directly on the soil, while others grow on rocks. Some plants cling to the fence, while the most number of plants are found in the field. The characteristics of plants in plain. They may have several branches. They can survive in very hot climate and may shed most their leaves in autumn. Example, neem, banyan and gulmogar. The characteristics of plants on mountains. These plants are usually tall, straight and have a cone shape. They are flowerless. They have cones with seeds inside them. The leaves of these plants are needle-like. They have a waxy coating to prevent any damage from snow. Example, pine, deodar, cedar and fir. Now look at the deodar tree, cedar tree, pine tree and fir tree. All of them are tall, they are conical in shape, they are flowerless. The adaptations of plants in hills are, they are conical in shape and the leaves are needle shape and they are covered with a waxy coating which prevents from snow deposit. Here the hard cones instead of flowers. These cones enclose seed to protect them. The plants of hot and wet regions. Example, rubber, teak. The adaptations of plants of hot and wet regions are, they have large number of leaves and they shed leaves gradually. They are called as evergreen trees. There are some more plants of hot and wet regions, cotton, rice, pepper and banana. The weather of tropical rainforest is hot and wet, so that trees generally have a thin smooth bark because they don't need thick bark to prevent moisture like plants in temperate deciduous forest. The smoothness of the bark makes it difficult for other plants to grow on their surface.